Hello children, today I am going to teach you computer and the chapter for today is using a mouse. So children, as you know, this is the mouse what I have here in my hand. Now a mouse is a pointer device. Now in this mouse there is no wire. You cannot see any wire here, right? So this is a wireless mouse, whereas you can see wires also in some mouses which are connected to the CPU. Now what are the uses of a mouse? It is used to select and open various options on the computer screen. So whatever you see on the computer screen, you can select and open them with the help of the mouse. You can draw pictures with the help of the mouse. You can play games with the help of the mouse. Now let us learn about the mouse buttons. So over here mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. So you can see the scroll wheel over here. This is the scroll wheel and these are the two buttons. One over here on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. So this is left button. This is right button. So there are two buttons and one scroll wheel which is placed at the center. Now children, you should learn how to hold a mouse. So the steps to hold your mouse correctly is first place your index finger. This is your index finger, okay? Place your index finger on the left button. Place your middle finger. So this is your middle finger. Place your middle finger on the right button. Hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers. So rest of your fingers are these. Hold it, and with your thumb also you will hold such that your palm rests on the mouse. Okay, so this is your palm. It will rest on the mouse. The thumb should be on the one side and the ring and the little finger should lie on the other side of the mouse. So thumb, little finger and this finger should lie on the other side and your index finger should be on the left and your middle finger should be on the right. So this is how you should hold your mouse properly. So as you are holding your mouse correctly, now if you move your mouse, you can see the mouse pointer on the screen is also moving. Now, how to use the mouse? So children, pressing the left button of the mouse once, only once, is called clicking, like this. Okay, it selects an item on the monitor. So once only if you click like this, it will select any item on the monitor that you see. And pressing the left button of the mouse quickly for 2 times. Okay children, 2 times we will press quickly. So this was very quick. So this 2 times if you click quickly, that is called double click. So again I will show you like this. It opens an item on the monitor. So if you double click on any icon or any item, it will open up that. Now about the right click. Children, right click is done by pressing and releasing. Means you will press and then you will release the mouse button once. Okay, so what will happen? You will see that some list of options have appeared. So when you bring the mouse pointer on some icon like this PC, then right click on it once and release, you will see a list of options that has appeared on the screen. So if you bring your mouse somewhere around in the blank area of the desktop and then you press again, you will see the list of options would disappear. Now let us learn about drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move an item from one place to another with the help of a mouse. So you hold your mouse very nicely like this. Okay. Now you have to use your left button. Okay, so you will use your index finger, your left button. Then what you will do, bring the mouse pointer over an item on the screen, any item, and you will press and hold your index finger, your left button properly. You will hold it, you will not release your finger. Drag the pointer on the screen to place where you want. So you will slowly move your mouse also, so that icon or the item slowly moves the place you want, and then you release your finger. So if you release, that means you release the button, and you will find that the item has reached a new place on the desktop. So this is called dragging and dropping.
So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.